Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important in the world of artificial intelligence, bias in AI. You might be wondering, what exactly is bias in AI, and why does it matter? Well, stick around, because we're going to unpack this complex issue in a way that's easy to understand and, hopefully, a little fun. So, let's get started with a key question: how can something as seemingly objective as AI have bias? After all, computers are just following algorithms, right? But here's the catch: those algorithms are created by people, and people have biases. Let's explore this further. First, let's define what we mean by bias in AI. At its core, bias refers to systematic errors that lead to unfair outcomes in decision-making processes. These biases can arise from various sources, including the data used to train AI, the design of algorithms, and even the societal norms that influence developers. For instance, consider facial recognition technology. In a study conducted by MIT Media Lab, researchers found that facial recognition systems had error rates of 34% for dark-skinned women compared to just 1% for light-skinned men. This disparity highlights how bias in data can lead to serious consequences, especially when these systems are used in law enforcement or hiring practices. Now, let's talk about data. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, the AI will be too. For example, if an AI is trained primarily on images of light-skinned faces, it may struggle to accurately identify individuals with darker skin tones. This isn't just a theoretical concern, it's a real issue that affects people's lives. According to a report from the National Institute of Standards and Technology, a facial recognition system misidentified people of color at rates up to 100 times higher than those of white individuals. This raises significant ethical questions about the deployment of AI technologies in sensitive areas like security and hiring. Now, let's look at another example: hiring algorithms. Many companies now use AI to screen resumes and identify the best candidates. However, if the training data is skewed, say, if it reflects a historical preference for certain demographics, then the AI might inadvertently favor those same groups. In 2018, Amazon had to scrap its AI hiring tool because it was biased against women, as it had been trained on resumes submitted over a 10-year period, which were predominantly from men. So, how can we mitigate bias in AI? It's a multifaceted challenge, but there are several strategies that developers and organizations can implement. 1. Diverse training data. One of the most effective ways to reduce bias is to ensure that the training data is diverse and representative of the population. This means including a wide range of demographics, backgrounds, and experiences. 2. Regular audits. Conducting regular audits of AI systems can help identify and rectify biases. This involves testing AI outputs against various demographic groups to see if certain groups are unfairly treated. 3. Algorithmic transparency. Developers should strive to create algorithms that are transparent and understandable. If we can see how decisions are being made, it's easier to identify bias and correct it. 4. Incorporating ethical guidelines. Establishing ethical guidelines for AI development can help ensure that bias is considered from the start. This could involve setting up ethics boards or panels that review AI projects before they are deployed. 5. User feedback loops. Finally, incorporating user feedback can provide valuable insights into how AI systems are functioning in real-world applications. By listening to users, developers can identify areas where bias may exist and work to improve those systems continuously. To wrap up, bias in AI is a significant issue that can have real-world implications. By understanding what bias is and how it can manifest in AI systems, we can take proactive steps to mitigate it. Remember, it's not just about creating technology, it's about creating technology that works for everyone. So, let's be mindful of the impact our innovations can have on society. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of technology. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AI bias. Drop a comment below with your opinions or any experiences you'd like to share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.